Hi traders, this is Andrew Masters from FIBO Group and welcome to my weekly Forex report. To kick off the week on Monday, traders will pay attention to the American session with the release of retail sales figures from the US. This news will be closely monitored as these figures are closely connected with an expected rate hike from the Fed later this year, and volatility is expected in the US dollar. On Tuesday during the Asian session, the market will await the minutes meeting from the Reserve Bank of Australia, although will lay out their monetary policy going forward, and we expect volatility in the Australian dollar. In the European session, we'll see the release of the average earnings figures from Great Britain, which is being closely monitored, as wage growth is a factor on whether the Bank of England will raise interest rates later, so we expect volatility in the British pound. On Wednesday, we have a one-off event, namely Brexit Summit, where the EU and UK will sit down to negotiate terms surrounding Brexit, and as the news start to filter out, we expect volatility in the euro and British pound. The highlight of the day will be during the American session, with the release of the minutes meeting from the US Federal Reserve. Analysts are divided whether the Fed will lift interest rates further this year, so this news will be closely monitored, and we expect opportunities in the US dollar. On Thursday, we'll see a continuation of the Brexit Summit, and again, as more news filters out, we expect volatility in the British pound and the euro. In the Asian session, we'll see the release of the unemployment rate and job participation figures from Australia. The jobs market in Australia continues to climb, which is an overall good sign for the economy, and a continuation of this trend may give a boost to the Australian dollar. On Friday, during the Asian session, we'll see GDP figures from China, which should give a clear picture on the state of the world's second largest economy and create some opportunities in the Chinese yuan. In the American session, we'll see the release of retail sales figures from Canada, which have been on the rise in recent months, and may be attributed to higher oil prices, and a repeat performance should see the Canadian dollar finish the week strongly. That's all from me at FIBO Group, and I'll see you all next week.